Good afternoon. Long time no see, you guys. I'm chilling today. I was just thinking about something. A lot of people ask me, they say, Chantel, what happened? Why did you stop being a pastor or stop preaching? Well, actually, what I do now is just counseling, but I counsel from different religious perspectives now. But what I wanted to tell you guys, don't worry about what I'm doing and what I'm not doing. What you need to do is keep reading the Bible. Some people ascend in their different levels of consciousness and they go and they take different routes in life, but they never leave God. And if you do, you're going to end up right back where you started. So, one of the Bibles that I like, I was just looking at it here in my sunroom, is the Message translation. It's like on a fourth grade level. If you want to get into reading your Bible and studying and seeing if you've changed in your levels of consciousness, if you've elevated to a different esoteric level and how you're reading and studying your Bible, try the Message translation and see what opens up. Tell me, what have you discovered since you've last taken a look at your Bible? Have a great day. It's a Sunday.